My country people, I agree to know. I beg if you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, press that subscribe button and turn on that notification button. Yes, Arsenal don't beat Tottenham Hotspur for in London derby, and we get Oga Usman, will be Ogbonge person, Ogbonge Arsenal fan. Make tell us how you see this game. Oga Usman, how you see your team performance today against on our rival for London?
Yeah, so if you see me say, you gonna say I get joy where we're not be small. Because before we start this match, everybody believes say Arsenal no go fit get winning for the match because of the situation where Arsenal dey now concerning the red card and injury this thing wey we get. So as Arsenal come play the game, so we can't even get the entire 3 points. I really get joy and I'm very impressed with the team performance. Particularly, Arteta don't really prove himself today. Say yes, in a coach will be say in no thing they do. You understand? Because as it be like this now, as a club we want carry league. You understand? If you want carry league institution like this, you go still manage yourself, still get get result. You understand? So for him to do it today, even me as an Arsenal fan, at least expecting him to do it. So as him do it today, I did very impressed with him and particularly with him too. He don't really show say in a coach wey sabi the game. You understand? So I did very happy for the result.
So talking about Arteta now, you know say for halftime when we dey outside we dey talk and the talk say this kind of match now we take the no coach wey sabi because no Martin Odegaard, no Declan Rice. Even the player wey dey still buy come, we know say he never play ball for Arsenal, Mikel Merino too. He no still dey. I said now this kind of match we go know whether he sabi if he still find a way to win the match when you dey miss some of your key players. I thought I don't sign new contract extension for Arsenal. You as Arsenal fan, what do you get to talk about this long-term plan wey they get with Mikel Arteta? And you believe say na Arteta be that coach wey go win trophies for Arsenal? Because so far, how many years when he end up winning only one trophy? And many Arsenal fans, many people they talk say this season Arteta need to win trophies. You believe say Arteta na the man wey go give Arsenal trophies?
You see, for me, even if no be this year, I believe say Arteta na the right coach. Because for now, if you check in record from where he take join Arsenal, you go see our team now coach will be say every season they improve on the previous performance. You understand? And by so doing, I believe say even if we no win league or win any major trophy this season, I believe say now him go still win. So far they don't give him that long term contract. I believe say him go still deliver because yes, because if you see the way in the perform, you go know say this person, a person will say he dey improve every season. You understand? So if you continue like that, I definitely know say if you no win on this season, maybe next season you go win am. So for me, that contract is a very important one because if you lose coach like Arteta now, if you go sign another person now, if you don't even do 1 or 2 years with you, say you go one second again because if you know they perform. You understand? So for me, a very good decision now the club don't take by extending his contract. Yes.
So for today performance, which Arsenal player stand that pass for you where you go give your man of the match to?
See, to be honest with you, if I'm to pick my man of the match, I'll pick Timber. You understand? Because if you see the way the guy they play, saying they play off wing, you see they play well. You go know say the person is sabi play ball. So for me, if they don't give Gabriel because he scored the winning goal, I believe say na Timber is supposed to be because he stand out. The person at defense today, but he still shows say this person he play ball. So now him I go give. If na me go pick him, na him I go give. So now what I think with that.
So about another player we play for that Arsenal left side. Make I ask you about Gabriel Martinelli. How you go rate Gabriel Martinelli performance today for this match against Tottenham Hotspur if you want it over 10?
Na like 5, if at all. 5, so I have to try for around 5. Because for that first half where the pressure really did on Arsenal, we get chance to be say he supposed don't score. If not a good player, he supposed don't net at least 1 goal. You know, you understand? But all this chance, he just took it for granted through all the balls. You understand? So for me, if I had to try for I give him 5 over 10. 5 over 10. Yes, he don't really do well for the match. He don't do well. But even though you don't do well, when they come sub, come bring Raheem Sterling, no second, even though the minute was very few, but then no really show any more different. But I believe saying that because injuries they come and you know say to break into a team as a new player, you know they really easy. But for Martinelli, you know they really they do the way we know how to be in the last 1-2 seasons ago. You understand? So I know I did disappointed with the guy the way he played today. He don't really try. If he don't give us the winning from the first half, say, you understand? But however, he still try. You know, say that every match, you know, the easy. If you check the entire team, you go be like everybody just they do 1 or 2 things we know really right. But now so the game they've been at every match now, and you always see this kind of thing for the game too. Everybody just try. At the end of the day, the most important thing we say we get the 3 points. So now what I just think.
So make I ask you about the defense. Another game with clean sheets for the defense and the goalkeeper. How you they see this Arsenal defense? So last season, most clean sheet from this Arsenal defense last season. How you dey see the defense this season? Another so far 4 games into the season, another clean sheet. If I'm correct, about 3 clean sheets now. 3 clean sheets so far this season. How you dey see the defense?
For me, it's solid because by this time last season, if you check, Arsenal don't conceive at least more than one goal, and by now this is the fourth match, and I only that one goal we concede against Brighton. Might be the only goal we don't concede. You understand? So for me, the defense is very very solid. You understand? And even you get some of our players who say they never really blend into the team. Like Alafiori now, we never really know where we want to play him. So what this one our strength for the defense line, and for now the team still they play well. You understand? If you see the number of goals they concede, you know say this team that team will say they not do one by mistake last season. I don't know whether I understand. Last season what we do, and some people feel the thing say but they are still repeating the same thing this season to tell you say they not do one by mistake last season. You understand? So the team did very very solid when it comes to defense line. You understand? So I did very impressed with the play. Everybody they do well. You understand? Okay, even though see what team Ben White they play today with this guy Song. In try to frustrate the guy, but with all this pressure, you see, try to translate a whole lot, you know, if you do anything at the end of the day. So for me, the defense they very very solid. And if I'm to pick any defense for Premier League, now that's not defense I will first pick. So now what I think.
So Arsenal next game for the next game, that UEFA Champions League game against Atlanta, where they will face our brother Ademola Lookman. How you dey see that game, and what you dey predict for Arsenal for that match?
You know, see that match now, a Champions League, and a different feeling they get. And I believe say Declan Rice what we miss today, he go play. Now only they can know. So the team go dey more solid for that match. You understand? So for me, I see Arsenal winning the game, even though na away we dey a bit, away. So I see Arsenal winning the game because a Champions League and the feeling they always dey different. So I tip Arsenal to win the game. It might not be easy, but Arsenal will win.
So Arsenal next Premier League game now against the Oga Kpata of them all for the league, Manchester City. How you dey see that game, and how you think say Mikel Arteta go approach the game?
You know, say normally Man City they no longer be the way we see them before. Before if we want play Man City in a fear, we know say they will win. But this time around, the story don't they change. You understand? If you check what you played in last season, tell you say this is himself. Then go they more aware about Arsenal because Arsenal don't they prove to them say they are no longer the same Arsenal way they always they win. You understand? But one difficult part why they look now because they would they go away. You understand? Would they go away without our captain? So that thing will really affect us in one way or the other. But however, I still believe say if Arsenal don't win, we go draw. Because Rice go play that match. And if Rice did that match, Hope go play. That man league go play. And if he did that if they play him with Thomas Partey, I believe say we will be more solid for that midfield. You understand now? So I believe say if Arsenal get good game that day, even if we don't win, we will at least draw them. So now what I believe.
So for you at least,
yes,
get a draw.
A draw. And a draw will be a good result for Arsenal. At least for a win, a good result for Arsenal. Because it's not easy to go that place, go win. But if we draw them for there, I believe if they come our home, we will beat them. Especially for our team, they complete, we will beat them for our home. So we'll just go there, at least deprive them from the 3 points, make them not get up. Because now then I see say our challenger as in the team where they exactly. So if we feel stop them from getting the 3 points, it's okay. Make them come our home. We know what we do ourselves. So now one thing I just believe, but you know go dey easy. They know go dey with him pattern now. But I believe say the draw will be fine for us now.
All right, now, Oga Usman, thank you for your time.